Hey, welcome back to my channel Stoic State. Today I'll give you the perfect response when a woman hugs you. Many men dantry that a hug can be much more than just a simple gesture of greeting or affection. In fact, it can be a powerful signal in attraction. In the next few minutes, I'll break down 4 types of hugs and explain exactly how you should react to never miss an opportunity again. A hug can be much more than just a simple gesture of greeting or affection in the realm of attraction. It can serve as a powerful signal, a way for a woman to measure your response expresses, or even create a moment of connection. The problem is that most men fail to read these subtle cues as assault. They let valuable opportunities slip away, giving off the wrong signals as disinterest, lack of confidence. A complementarians of attraction dynamics. A hug isn't just about physicalness. It's a silent communicator of unspoken feelings and decreased duration. Pressure and even body positioning can tell you more than words could. That's why it's crucial to understand these gestures and respond appropriately. Now let's dive into the types of hugs and what they realigning. 1. The friendly patus is the friendly hug, most casual type of hug at last only as to with a slight inclination off the body, minimal torso contact, and usually includes a few pats on the back. It's a warm but platonic gesture often exchanged between friends or acquaintances. If a woman hugs you this way, it likely means she sees you as a friend rather than a romantic interest. But don't be discouraged. This is your chance to build more attraction. Focus on creating moments of closeness and chemistry to transition from the friend zone to something more, to the firm hug. This hug lasts a bit longer, and there's a noticeable firmness in the way she wraps her arms around you. It's more than just a quick greeting. It signals comfort and familiar. However, it doesn't necessarily mean attraction just yet. To respond the right way, don't pull back. To quickly hold the egg just a second longer. Then she expects and observe her reaction. If she smiles, maintains eye contact, or remains relaxed in your arms, it's a sign that she's comfortable around you. This is your cue to continue building that connection rather than rushing into anything too soon. 3. The lingering embrace. Embrace a hug that lasts longer than usual, where she doesn't rush to let go, could indicate deeper attraction. If her body relaxes against yours and she feels her chest closer, that's a strong sign of emotional and physical connection. Pay attention to her breathing. If it slows down and her hands linger on your back, she's comfortable with your closeness. When you experience this type of hug, won't be the first to pull away. Instead, mirror here. If she stays close, reciprocate with a light touch on her lower back or a gentle squeeze, allowing the moment to linger just a little longer. This small, intimate, significant move can deepen the connection and signal your confidence for the intimate embrace. This is the most telling hug of all. She leans in completely, resting her head on your shoulder or neck. Her breathing becomes more noticeable, and she may even lightly her your back. This is a clear sign that she feels safe, connected, and likely attracted to you when faced with this kind of hug. Don't rush to break the moment. Instead, embrace her naturally, allowing her to feel your warmth and presence. If she doesn't pull away, she may be inviting deeper intimacy. Watch for subtle cues. If she tilts her head towards you, tightens her embrace, or lingers in your arms, she's signaling that she wants more than just a friendly hug. If you notice these signs of attraction, don't let the moment pass. Yabi confidence is key. Stay composite and respond with hesitation. Simplest way to deepen the connection is through subtle but natural gestures. A light touch on the lower back, gentle squeeze, or maintaining eye contact. As she pulls away, avoid seeming overeager, and instead, let your body language convey quiet confidence. The next time a woman hugs you, pay close attention. That simple store might be saying much more than words. It could be her way of testing the water, signaling her interest, or inviting you to get closer. If you can read between the lines and respond with self-assurance, you'll never miss an opportunity to gain what's the most telling sign of attraction in a hug. In your opinion, drop a comment below.